Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a kit from the video game which was released in 2019, the Sakura Wars. This game was made by Sega for the PlayStation 4, and what I have here is the main mecha from that video game, which is the Spiricle Striker Mugen from Seijuro Kamamiya. So this is released by Bandai in the year 2020. So to be honest, it looks like a scope dog or the bottoms to me, due to the fact that it's short and the pilot is inside of this body, torso head like structure here. So it's like the bottoms, the medieval kind of bottoms. And what I like in this kit is it has a unique silhouette. To be honest, this kind of kit, this white one from Seijuro Kamamiya, is hard to find nowadays. And also its partner, the pink one, I think that's Sakura. That's the main from the title itself. That's Sakura. Her model kit of this, which is color pink, is hard to find nowadays. Anyway, let's build this kit out and let's check this Sakura Wars Seijuro Kamamiya model kit. Spiricle Striker Mugen. So the box art shows this glorious medieval knightly looking bottom here. Looks like bottom, and there's this katanas with lightning here. Very nice, very nicely drawn and illustrated. And there's this Seijuro Kamamiya, the pilot of this kit. And it says here, high grade 1/24 scale, Spiricle Striker Mugen, Seijuro Kamamiya type. So on the side of the box, we can see the front view of the kit, where the model kit has some gold contrasting edge designs over the white silhouette here. Also the front and rear views, we can see the poses where the Spiricle Striker Mugen is wielding the two katanas, and we can see here some limb lengthening gimmicks here. And the pilot Seijuro was sitting inside the torso head structure of the kit. You can see here the two sabers of the kit. The other side of the box, we can see the front view of Spiricle Striker Mugen and Seijuro Kamamiya, and the Sakura Wars lineup here. This is the one I'm talking about, the pink one. To be honest, I like the pink one, but it's difficult to find nowadays. And some shops I searched for on this kit was selling it or reselling it on an overpriced value. Very, very bad. And this one, this yellow one, I also like this yellow one, but I don't. It's not my type. I just like the color yellow, but it's not my type. Anyway, let's open the box here. If we open the box, we can see. Charan. You can see the manual here. Oh, I destroyed the box already. So there's this manual here. It says here Spiricle Striker Mugen Seijuro Kamamiya type, high grade from Bandai. And yep, the usual, we can see some black and white printout for the kit. And there's this translation in English for this Japanese text here, which is very nice. I can now understand what these Japs are talking about here. And we can see some guidelines for the water slide, decals application, and color guide if you want to paint it by yourself, and yeah, the poses for the kit. Anyway, let's check the kits here. The kit here. I like the white color of this kit because it's pearly white color. It's like pearl finished white here. Very nice. It's not the common white or off-white color like most Gundams do or have. So this is pearl white color, which is nice. I like it. And we have here inner frame parts and the cockpit parts here, which is in green color. There are polycaps also, and lots of gold color correcting stickers, which is a turn off for me for Bandai. As always, Bandai do this on high grade kits. They always issue color correcting sticker, which is very bullshit. To be honest, I don't know. Let's try to apply some, but I'm sure I will not apply all of this bullshit here. And we have here, actually, I thought this is like a gold sprayed thing, but this is injection plastic. It's like a bronzy thing here. Doesn't look gold to me. It's like bronze injection kit here. Anyway, no problem with this. So we have here Seijuro Kamamiya, the bigger figure here, and we have this pearly white thing here. We have water slide decals. I think this is, yeah, water slide decal here. And we have goldy or bronzy thing here, injection type of plastic for weapon parts, armor parts I mean. And this is for the sheath of the sword, the swords. And the last here we have black or matted gray runner here for inner frame parts. So as always, before we do the kit, let's have a quick review of the runners here for the Spiricle Striker Mugen. So we have here A2 runner for the pearly white runners or parts here. We have some gem sticker here for, I think this is for the visor, for the camera lenses. And we have here another pearly white runner here for the A1 runner. We have polycaps, series of polycaps. Yep. We have a green runner here for the cockpit. We have this runner. What's this? D1. Yep. This is runner D1 for the sword here. And we have runner B1 here for the bronzy injection plastic here. We have runner C1 for inner frame parts, and this one, the booster thingy. And we have here runner F2 for inner frame parts. We have another runner D2. Yep, wait, the first one was D1, and we have D2 here. Okay, we have the bullshit sticker from Bandai here. And we have F1 for the sword sheets and armor pieces. We have here runner C2 for the gray parts and inner frame parts. We have Runner B2 for this bronzy injection plastic here. We have Seijuro Kamamiya, big action figure here, this pilot figure. We have here water slide decals. And the last, we have Runner A3. So, see you next time, guys. I'll build this kit and have a review on the future for this Spiricle Striker Mugen. So thank you for watching and see you next time. And keep safe. Bye-bye.